Okay, read.
The
Human.
body.
Okay.
Skin.
Skin, very good.
Muscle.
Very good. Muscles.
Foot skeleton.
Front skeleton. Very good.
Drugs.
Very good. Blood circulation.
Dressing.
Very good.
Rice.
Very good.
Nucleus.
Nervous system. Very good.
Black skeleton.
Black skeleton. Very good. D.
Feet and
Very good.
this is swimming.
Yeah.
Finger is the Hannah body.
The human body.
Skin.
Skin.
Good job.
Good job.
Muscle.
Muscles.
Good.
This one, what's this?
Front skeleton.
Front skeleton.
Good. Foot skeleton.
Ah, very good.
Dressing.
Digestion.
The chest.
Very good.
Rice.
What's that? Liquid rice.
Nucleus.
Nervous system. Very good.
Black skeleton.
Back skeleton.